Okay, so here is a quick vlog from Bath, because Bath comes under the National Trust because it has a skyline of national interest, and the National Trust manual, the guideline, lists Bath as being one place to come. So here we are in Bath. I have done another vlog on actually coming to Bath, and you'll find the link up the top there, so you can go and watch that. But this is more about the architecture and the buildings of Bath. So we can have a little zoom around. Bath is an ancient city. It's been here for a long time, and it was Roman for a long time, hence the Roman baths and some of the architecture. A lot of stuff has changed over the years. The main buildings in the centre and everything else have been refurbished. See that some of the back streets are quite narrow. So the National Trust lists this city as being an architecturally significant place. The only issue with this place is the cobbles. Oh my god, the cobbles, as you can tell. So it's a very touristy place. So this is the new Bath Spa they built, and lots of tourists. And the other, the original Roman baths in front of us. It's actually nice to be able to use my scooter and not have to worry about battery connections and doing my back in. So there is the pump room, the King and Queen's baths, the main high street, and you can see that the buildings main shopping high street. You can watch my other video for that. It does attract the busker. Some of them are quite good. Skyline of outstanding natural beauty. try it. Circus, and here we are, architecturally very sound, and a bit of a tourist attraction, so come and have a look at this. Very typical of Bath architecture. There you go, proves my point. Some tourists come and have a look at it. And there we go, that's one example of architecture in Bath. So there we go, a quick zoom around to look at the architecture of Bath. I hope you've enjoyed this short vlog. It's a bit parky. I need to go in and get a cup of tea now. The nose is running. Has it gone red? I don't know, it's probably gone red. So a very successful trip round, and there is a lot more to Bath than we've shown you. So if you get a chance, then come along and have a look. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you again very soon. Bye for now.